Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee, and today we have another wonderful collaboration. Today we'll be visiting Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica. Today I will be making some oxtails for you all, and I will be making my interpretation through my experience of the taste that I like. Otherwise, I would have titled this Authentic Jamaican Oxtails. Now, going through this, I could not find Scotch bonnet. We do have a Jamaican store that is close enough to me, but I never got the chance to go, so I substituted the Scotch bonnet with the Albonero. Please make sure that you subscribe, check all the channels out, and subscribe. I wash this 3 or 4 times. I'll let this sit in the refrigerator for maybe like an hour or 2, and then rinse off and then season. Naturally, I always clean my meats with either lemon, lime, but mostly white vinegar. And at the end of the day, vinegar just really tenderizes and really cleans the meat. So I'm gonna sit there for maybe an hour or 2 and then rinse it out and then start seasoning and let it sit overnight. So I washed this about 3 or 4 times. I didn't have a Scotch bonnet, but I'm gonna use some of this. Some black pepper, browning, seasoning sauce, My Way curry, and some potato jerk seasoning. And I'm also going to use some Tray East jerk seasoning. This one has like more aniseed or maybe nutmeg. It's very spicy. For this one, it's more mild and blunt. So I'm going to do a little bit. I'm going to do more of this than that, and smoked paprika. I understand that this might not be the traditional way, but this is my way, and I'm actually going to go ahead and remove the lemons as well. I'm going to use 2 paprikas because I love smoked paprika, and so does my daughter. And with the same heaping tablespoon, I'm going to do a little curry, 1 tablespoon of curry. And then everything else, I'm going to go ahead and do a tablespoon. This I'm going to do 2. It smells really mild and like oxtails. Where this one is very spicy and smells more like Christmas, but not quite Christmas. Some black pepper and just a little bit of salt. Seasoning, let's say 1, 2, and 3 for every pound of oxtails. And let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course, you can go without garlic. And onion. I put about 1 tablespoon or half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of ginger, and actually fresh ginger, but for now, as this sits to marinate, half to 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now this has been in the refrigerator, but when you're ready to cook it, leave it out for about a half an hour at the most. You can leave it longer, but I can already see that this is going to be super delicious and tender. So I'm going to let this sit overnight, and tomorrow I'll add all of the herbs and veggies. in the oven at 350 for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Do keep checking it in case you need to add more broth or water.
Are you ready?
I made this, I had tomatoes. I don't have tomatoes today, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use a little bit of a thickening agent. It's a little sweet and it's okay because it's kind of spicy, so this is gonna mellow out the spiciness for my family. I think this is gonna be fantastic once it cooks down. So it's very tender. You could eat it now if you want to, but I want it a little bit more tender, so I think having it like that will be perfect. And it will thicken up the sauce as well. This started out really cloudy, but I'm cleaning it out. This is about my 5th time, and I'm going to keep doing it until I get it clear and then set it aside. Let this sit for about 20 minutes. It's delicious though. Once I add the rice, I know it's gonna need a little bit more flavor, so I actually did 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt. This is part of that habanero pepper. Just put a little bit of that. I had this sitting out for about 20-something to 25 minutes. I didn't want to leave it up that long, but you can see that the rice grew a little bit. You don't have to do that. I just did that so the rice can be a little tender. You can skip that step. Just make sure that you wash it. And when you wash your rice, that it's clear. And there are no extra debris. Now, you don't have to do this, and this is not traditional, but I am just because I removed all of the sodium from the beans. Medium high for 20 to 25 minutes. Done just in salt and pepper, but I've done it like this before and I really like it because it takes that bitterness out of there. No one can make fun of my plantains. My plantains were so ripe, and when I was making this video, I kept forgetting ingredients. And so by the time I used my plantains, they were very ripe. So no jokes on that one. Oh my gosh, how tender that is. Melt in your mouth.